Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy. I was trying to clean out the back of the truck. Got shit everywhere. Get ready to load up the tin and shit. Man, I keep running into shit that I'm fucking missing and all kind of shit, dog. So originally I thought that my opera lights was good, but it's missing here. I wasn't worried about them lighting up, but I at least needed to have them mounted on the car because the shit looked crazy. Oh, then I could at least mount it on there, but because there's a plastic piece, let me show y'all. Because there's this plastic piece that's missing at the top, I can't even mount that shit. Can't even mount it. There's nothing for me to mount it to, and if I put the metal part on the outside, then it's just gonna potentially break the rest of it. So another thing that done fucking went wrong that I thought was good. So hell, if I can't put the opera lights on the motherfucker, whether they light up or not, then shit. What is we doing? So I still ain't had time to put the fucking bumper filler. The bumper filler on. The hardware and all of that shit. The joints for the corners. The bumper fillers in the corners. Like, it's fucking really ran out of time on this shit, dog. Like, dead ass. So I am really up on the fence about this shit. Like, I might not even bother going. Cause like one thing after fucking another. And I just don't believe in pulling out half-ass, man. Like I don't. Little floor mat in there, that shit don't match. Didn't have time to get my custom shits made. Like, I just ran out of fucking time, bro. The shit is low-key frustrating. And I don't want to play no more. Give me my ball. I'm going home. Type shit. Like, fuck. But if I could just, like, I feel like if I could slap these on there, man, and, like, fuck it. Like I say, if they don't turn on, fine. But to just not have the motherfuckers on there at all because that bitch can't mount? Like, fuck, man. I'm gonna holler at my partner, E, man. I think E asked me, he's like, man, you got your opera lights? I said, yeah, man, I'm good. No, the fuck I'm not. When I tell you that nothing is going right today, I mean to tell you that nothing is going right today. Like, so I did get my door seals on. I cannot get these to fucking come off. These hoes is like fucking rusted on there. I don't know if I need to put some heat to them hoes or whatever to get them off. I was able to get the vents on the back, but wasn't able to get this one out. That one's stripped out. Like, fuck, bro. Nothing is going to plan. I was able to get one I was able to get one rivet nut in there for the trunk. So I got that on there. I mean, that'll suffice for now. So, the fucking front, I'm trying to put the damn emblem up front. But the thread cutting nuts that I have won't fucking cut into the joint. And I need to do that so I can go ahead and put the grill back on there. Which I got the grill over here. I'm not even gonna fool with that Tierra because, like I said, bro, we done ran out of time. Like I said, at this point, it's if we even still go. Shit, cause goddamn. I ain't gonna have time to put my fucking bumper filler on. Like it's too much shit, bro. Too much shit, not enough time. Crunch time is real. It's really real when you a one-man person. Shout out to everybody that be doing this shit for these car shows all the time. I don't like it. Pineapples. Alright, so let me show y'all this. As you can see, the car's turned around, so it works good enough to do that. However, it's a larger problem going on here, man, and I hate it. Fucking hate it. I did just take the car down the road. I didn't want to lose my fucking hubcap, so I took them bitches off. One of them did fly off. And yeah, that wasn't no bueno. No bueno, cause that shit could have easily went down the fucking gutter and I've been mad in a bitch. But yeah, I don't know the best way to explain it, so what I'm gonna do is I'll just show it to you. So here recently, well, yesterday, so there's a tapping, of course, you can hear the tapping. And then we were here doing some tuning as well. And let me go here, I'm gonna connect the scanner. And actually what I'm trying to show you ain't got nothing to do with this. Not like the data wise, but it is about what I'm about to show you on these gauges. So let me see the best way I can show it. So make sure. Okay. So pulling out of the garage. As you can see, my oil pressure is very low. At idle, okay, so like I said, we put some 1540 in there to try to hype it up and shit, right? So now, I'm gonna show you what happened when you go to get on it, right? So the oil pressure builds. See, and then it just falls. Like it falls on its face. You know what I'm saying? So something ain't sealed up right. See, build again, makes a little sound. And then you lose all your goddamn oil pressure. And that's dangerous. Very much so. So I'm gonna make an executive decision to have Dolores sit this one out, because we're not gonna do that, baby. So like that, it builds pressure, and then it just loses it. Like, what the fuck is that? What the fuck is that all about? Need to do them brakes too. Yeah, but every time it loses all the fucking oil pressure, that motherfucker just drops like all the way down. So I'm not gonna risk that shit. Clearly there is a bigger issue here at play. So at that time we will revisit that shit. Shit, we can bounce back and hit that motherfucker next year, but Dolores will not be going to fucking Texas Whipfest this year. She is clearly fucking sick. So we tried. All right, so we going in the tuck, man. Fucking, I was like, oh well, let me just power this motherfucker up, right? And wrong, fucking battery dead on this bitch. So usually I do have it in the garage plugged up on the tender, but since I moved the other car inside and it started working on it, it hadn't been on the tender. So they had a whole situation this morning. Can't even see this thing, which I ain't never really used it. Alright, it says start. See what that bitch gonna do. That shit ain't saying nothing. I don't know if that jump box is any fucking good, dog. To be honest with you. And the touchscreen, I mean, it says it's at 100%. And it's supposedly however many fucking amps. But it don't act like there's nothing, no power going to it. I don't even got no radio in that bitch. So let me go get the other jump box. See, yo, the way this shit going, nigga, I ain't even gonna go to watch at this point. Where is that other jump box at? Let me find it. Alright, so we finally got her jumped off and shit. I'm gonna probably pull her up here to fucking charge and shit, man. But that's what that motherfucker's supposed to sound like. And see, it's crazy, because this motor, I ain't even go inside that motherfucker or nothing. Nothing at all did I do on this one. And that motherfucker runs fine. Like, this one, when I got it, I ain't even fucking clean that bitch out. I just threw that motherfucker in there. But here we are. This one looked like shit, but run fine. That one looks good. Ah, Lord of mercy. Well, Like I said, this one gotta get charged up, man. But like I said, at this point, bro, I'm not even worried about taking no fucking car. Like, fuck it. Like this month, I ain't even talked about this one because everything is having an issue. This motherfucker need a transmission. This one just gotta get finished. For real, for real. So this one is probably the closest thing to ready. So, you know, technically we could probably still just bring this motherfucker. And then you got this one, which now needs a fucking engine. And then the C10, we was finna get ready to build a fucking engine for that shit too. So it's like, fuck. Damn, they're like back at fucking square one. My word of advice is to check that fucking oil pressure before you send that bitch. Cause if I would've checked the oil pressure on this motherfucker before I put it in there, we wouldn't be having this issue more than likely. If it didn't get past up 20, then we knew we had a fucking red flag. And we could have towed that bitch down and did whatever. But this was secret behind the books when we was working on it. Like, fuck. But small thing to a giant, dog. You're gonna have to bounce back and do that shit again. God damn it. Damn it. But yeah, this is what it's supposed to sound like. Motherfucking sewing machine. Not a tick, not a click, not nothing, nigga. But like I said, this one got to fucking charge up because that battery wasn't saying Nathaniel. And then I would try to fool with this fucking seat or cutlass, but I know that motherfucker needs all of the above too. Like I said, transmission. So ain't no use to taking that bitch all the way to Ennis if I can't take that bitch down a track. Cause all I got is fucking first gear. Yeah, so no need to take this motherfucker if it only got first gear and the fucking exhaust hanging. But like I said, there's another situation where shit, I built the fucking motor. First time I built something on this one, and that motherfucker is working. God damn it, hot now. Let me grease. Look at that fucking oil pressure, nigga. That's where that bitch supposed to be. Lord have mercy.